Hey guys, it's Rory again from ANSgear, and we're going to take a look at the BT Empire BT Delta. Now this is the officially licensed H&K version, so you'll be able to see those logos on the gun when we open it up. So we'll open up the box here. Again, you've got your quick start manual, the entire gun manual on CD, warranty information. We've got our barrel with shroud and barrel plug. Underneath the gun we do have Allen keys and spare O-rings, and then we have the gun itself. So go ahead and pull out the gun and set the box to the side here. So just to give you an overall view of the gun here, aluminum construction, hard baked on coating, so it will resist scratching. It's going to hold up just through everyday wear and tear. Start with the barrel. Obviously you can see the barrel plug is in it. It does come with an Apex ready tip on it, so if you have an Apex kit you could put it onto this barrel. The way that this screws in, if this screws into the front of your gun and your shroud doesn't line up perfectly right, it is adjustable, so don't worry about if you screw this in and the front shroud is slightly off, you can adjust it so that it is perfectly vertical. I'll show you how that threads in here. And this one's pretty on right here. We wouldn't need to adjust this one. Charging handle right here doesn't move, doesn't do anything, it's just for looks. We'll take this off so we can get it out of the way and move on to the rest of the gun. Now the original feed neck that is on it right here is a clamping version. So it does have the clamp on it, but it does have thumb tabs or thumb screws that you can undo them here, and you could take this piece off. See if I can get this off of here. And it is rip clip compatible, so it is ready to go with the rip clip. If you had one or bought one, you could put it on there and it will mount up with no problems. Put this back here, tighten that down. Easy on, easy off. Not a lot of work, don't need any tools or anything like that. Back here, this range sight is adjustable, it does spin. It's got larger to smaller holes. You've got a loop here for a strap of some sort, a 3-point, 2-point sling, just a basic bungee sling. You can hook it onto there. And at the front, you've got a loop on the front of the gun as well. So when this is on your gun, you've got 2 points. You can loop through here and the back side here. We've got sliding stock. You can activate it by pushing this here. It's going to come here. Now it is multi-point adjustable, so we can come in a little bit. It'll lock up right there. Come in a little bit further. Lock up right there, and then come in a little bit further. And this will be the closed or all the way in position. Velocity adjustment right here. Standard style velocity adjustment. The cocking lever right here. We want to pull this back, cock the gun, and fire safety on the side. Now the frame itself is removable. So if you wanted to upgrade the gun to the electronic frame, all you need to do is remove the frame off the gun, put the electronic frame on, put your screws back through, and you're ready to go. You're not switching out just the electronics internally, you're switching out the entire frame. Also, if you want to put a double trigger on, this lower section of the trigger guard is removable, and you would get a larger trigger guard and the 2-finger trigger. The front part here, the mag section, is again for looks. It does not come out. It is held on through the screws here. You could remove it and slide it off. Mil-spec Picatinny rail underneath, so you could put a different vertical grip on there if you wanted to, or just take it off and not use it at all. It does not double as storage or anything like that. It is just for looks. So this has been a look at the BT Delta, the officially licensed HK version. Order yours now at ansgear.com.